how I installed a 350-pound outdoor sculpture. First, we need to pick up the sculpture, but before that, fuel for the van and fuel for me. Now we hit the road to pick up the sculpture. I take some photos for archival purposes, and we get it loaded up. We're back on the road, and in 1 short hour, it's our exit. I open it up to make sure that the cargo is still intact. With the generous help of Coach Paxton and the Shawnee Wolves baseball team, we get it moved from the van to its temporary home in the courtyard. Over the next several days and weeks, I dig a hole where the sculpture will go. I also make a form for the concrete and do the math on how much concrete we will need. The wonderful team at Howell's Drilling Services came out to pour the concrete and insert the base for the sculpture. Fast forward through 2 weeks of curing, and it's time for the installation. Community members and artists from OBU showed up to help transfer the piece from its inclined position to the base in the concrete where it will remain. The artists polished it up so it'd be ready for the grand unveiling. Dozens of people showed up to the event, and I was roped into helping remove the cloth at the last second. Introducing Trinity Eagle by Patrick Riley and Glenn Henry, here at the Mabee-Gerrer Museum of Art in Shawnee, Oklahoma. So, that's the story of